In today's video, we're going to make some Candyland cake pops using these styrofoam balls, some skewer, these, I don't know what they're called, they're imitation balls, styrofoam balls, and then our lightweight spackle. The first thing you need to do is you need to get all of the static out of the balls, and I put a fabric softener sheet in a bag, and I'm just trying to move it around and get that static out. And as you can see, some of these on the side, they're still staticky because they're trying to grab to the side of the walls. So I just keep massaging around with the sheet inside, and so I'm going to keep working with it until all of that static is gone. Otherwise, when you try to put it on the styrofoam balls, these here, these little guys are going to go all over, and I don't want that. So I will return. So now I'm going to take my lightweight spackle and a little bit of that apple barrel white paint, and I add it to this bowl, and I mixed it up, and it looks pretty good. It looks pretty white because this lightweight spackle sometimes is not like a bright white, so you got to add some white to it, and you don't want to put too much because you still want it to be thick. So you see how it doesn't want to come out. So I've got a good consistency, that way it's going to stick to the project I'm making and make it look like it's fluffy snow without making it runny. So I probably put like maybe four drops of the white paint, and so I'm happy with the color, so I'm going to go ahead and do the next part. Okay, so next, I've done 3 of them already. I just stuck a skewer through my balls, and this one I'll try to do on camera with one hand. You're just going to find a spot that you want to stick the skewer in. Usually I would hold it with 2 hands, and then I try to go down, not too far, but enough to, get a good grip. So we're good with that. Okay, so I put the skewer inside the ball. I only went down probably about halfway, just enough to make sure that it's firmly secure. And then now I'm going to start applying my spackle to each individual ball. So now that I have it covered, I'm going to go ahead and add those balls onto it. Okay, so here's how it turned out. The top, got the bottom, and you see there's some missing little spots, but it's okay. And what I did was I had it in this box, see if I can get this, and what I did was I just twirled it inside there, and then with my other hand I just flattened it down. So I think it looks pretty good. I think what I'm going to do now is put my glitter and hope that it fills in those little gaps there. So I will be back. Okay, so here's my second one. I don't know if it shows up or not, but it's a very light pink. The white, too much white was showing through, so I decided to go with a little bit of pink, hoping that will camouflage. And I'll show you up here on this one. You see how there's some white spots. I put the glitter in it still. I'm not real happy with it, but that's okay. We're gonna do the next one with a little bit of pink. And I did want to just say that when you're not using your spackle, you want to make sure you cover it with a wet paper towel so that it doesn't dry out. So my next step is to go ahead and add the sprinkles, but I really need 2 hands, so I'm going to go ahead and put my camera down and return when I get it covered. So here's the 2 different ones. This is the pink one, and then this one is the white one. And I'm thinking that the pink one is better. That pink color camouflages it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that again. This time though, I think I'm gonna add a little bit of Mod Podge to my mixture. That way I can see if the glitter is going to hold on to the, maybe what I'll do is I'll wait till it dries and then I'll put a little thin coat of Mod Podge over the balls and then I'll put the glitter, because right now it's really difficult for it to stick. It doesn't seem to be sticking in all the areas. Like this one definitely didn't stick very well. This one, it stuck a little bit more because I put a little bit of Mod Podge on it, but as I was doing that, some of the balls came off. So it's just trial and error, trying to figure out what works and what doesn't work. So far, neither one is working to what I feel it should look like. So I'll just keep trying until I figure it out. All right, so I completed 4 of them. And here's one of them with a little straw. All I need to do now is put a little bow. The ribbon I have is way too big, so I'm gonna have to go to the store and get a different size ribbon, and then I'll be done with these ones. But aren't they super cute? I love them. So I have another set, so I'll be making a total of 8 of them, and I think on the other ones I might do like a purple background, and then I'll just have to change the straws because this teal straw goes really well with this one. But I think I want to get some purple, or not purple, but some other color straws, and so we can have some difference. And then the same with the ribbon, I'll have two different kinds of ribbon as well. But you can kind of see the sprinkle a little bit. Some of the balls didn't stick, but who cares? It did. I think it turned out pretty cute for my first attempt. It's pretty cute, and for Candyland display, it'll be great. Thanks for watching. I will show pictures of the completed project once I get them done and put in the display. And this is the final reveal. I put a little ribbon with a little piece of faux mint on it, and you see it's got a little glitter. I don't have it displayed the way I want yet, but I just wanted to show you the final outcome of these. And I'm going to make another set with the color purple in the background, and change the straw. So thank you for watching, and come back and watch the next project I do. Bye-bye. Love, hugs, and kisses from Grandma Sandy and Debbie.